Hello guys, you guys wanna play stormworks?
Alright, this is stormworks, and we will be playing with a F4 Phantom and an Apache attack helicopter. So let's start this thing up. Instruments battery, canopy. That do. Don't need to jettison that yet. Dicey lights. Let's see. Throttle level, lever. Engine start, engine ignition, start. Yeah, they should start. There you go. Get ready to rock and roll. First, we gotta lock where our enemies are gonna be at. Shoot. We can escape, right? Come on. Ah, that was clutch. We're gonna do a fish stabilizer setting on. Gear. Is there altitude holding? Let's see. That should be enough to do here. What is that? We shall head to our enemy's location. Set waypoint. And then we're gonna get up there now. Higher in the sky. We'll be heading to the checkpoint, or the area here, our Phantom. That's beautiful. And yes, we have the weapon steel seal. So yes, we are ready to go. Suit afterburners on. I don't even remember we're going out Mach 1 yet. Alright, we switch weapons. Let's jettison our fuel tanks. Fuel tanks have been jettisoned. Alright, so we're gonna use our heat-seeking missiles that we have equipped. Like that. And they actually track, so I'm actually quite impressed that they actually track. They can one-shot enemy ships. So I'm excited to use those. Now we do have a couple, and we also have bombs. I'm not sure. There's an airplane down there. It looks like a C5 Galaxy, maybe? No. Civilian planes are funny. We're gonna go down. I don't know what it's called. What is our altitude? Ah! It was a little annoying to control that. I mean, I'm not even using a computer. Most of my life I've been playing on mobile, but mobile's problems. Sorry. And yes, it's an American aircraft, but it was sold to Germany. That's why it has a German Luftwaffe symbol on it and everything. Actually, no, there is no Luftwaffe symbol. Let's get moving. So this vehicle was sold to Germany. That's why it's got the German tags and everything. We're 6 kilometers from our point. It's quite fast we got there. We have an Apache and a base where we'll be using it if this thing gets shut down. So we're almost at target. There's the bridge. We're gonna be there at a chemical plant. Target's locked. Now where are their ships? That's what I want to hit. There's an enemy helicopter. Let's see if we can hit him. And we hit him. Let's go. First air to air kill with this vehicle. They ain't gonna get us anyway. We are way too fast for them. Maybe if they had their own missile systems. Alright, let's turn back around for our second approach. Hit one of them with my AIM-9L Sidewinder missile. These are not AIM-9X Sidewinders though. These are older. We're gonna try to hit that destroyer down there. Or I think it's actually a cruiser, I'm not sure. Let's get moving here and we're gonna hit them with our Sidewinder. Actually use these on ships before they'll literally destroy them. Let's see here. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a second approach here. I'm the best pilot there ever was. I shouldn't probably fly over their base. They have like C-ram systems. When I flew my jet over one of their base once, I just got obliterated out of the sky. And then we're gonna do our second approach here on the destroyer, and we're gonna zap it. I'm impressed that the people actually designed these aircraft. So if you don't know what game this is Stormworks. Best game out there, trust me. Love it. Sometimes I don't want to play it, but as soon as I do play it, like right now, I'm actually having fun. Oh, there the ship is. Lock on. Oh crap, no. Ah! Houston, we have a problem. No one saw that. Alright, so our aircraft, did not die to an enemy, but it died to my own self. But luckily, we have an Apache at home. I'm not as fast. I actually would fly that a lot more. I like this aircraft better. Apache pilots, when they see the the 4-mile Russian armored tank convoys in Ukraine. No, please God, no. All right. Now we have a nice 40mm autocannon. That's actually, let's just put infinite ammo on. And let's get this baby purring. Alright, let's get liftoff on. Have our stabilization mode on, so we can get some altitude here. Now let's begin our destination to the enemy's point. Oh, there we go. I wonder if you can hunt the Kraken with this thing. Yes, if you haven't known that there's stuff in this game. If you do know, sorry about the waypoint, you can spawn in Krakens and Megalodons. Yes, it's fun. Now this might take a little bit, but since I don't know editing, we're gonna have to enjoy the flight with us. So this is very cool. It's a real vehicle. Of course, it's the Apache. It's used in the military, in the United States military. I'm pretty sure it's been sold to other countries, and I'm not sure. There's a bunch of other, it's an attack helicopter, a bunch of other ones have been used, such as in Germany, France, a lot of others. This one I enjoy because it's at the, yeah. It also got the Hellfire missiles, so we're gonna go switch. Those are our rockets. And those should be our Hellfires. So I'm gonna keep them. Don't want to lose them because we only have 4 and they're heat sinking, so we should be able to do some damage. But if we can't, we still have our 40mm autocannon. I'll go make a. Oh, I probably should not hold down. I'm so tempted to press the button. Fine. There. That's one of our Hellfires. It's not as accurate as the E9X Sidewinders I was using. Look at that thing go when fully underwater. All of a sudden it just turns towards us and shoots us down. It's like Russia's missile systems are shooting down their own aircraft. It's funny. We're gonna increase our altitude here. I like there's just a cheese symbol on it. If you do want to see more Stormworks on the channel, please comment. I know none of you are gonna comment. I don't give a crap though. I record because I have nothing better to do. Fight me. Since my last few videos I watched were on shitty laptops, but this is a nice computer that my mom got for me. Yay! So it is pretty nice. We've got a couple games I'll probably play. This one of them, such as Universe Sandbox, I'll play. Floating Sandbox, maybe. I also have City Skylines that I might play too. But those are the main 3. I also have Spore. I've done some Spore on the channel on my shitty laptop. Anyway. Should be getting there soon. Sorry about this wait. You guys can just skip it. I don't care. No ads will be on my channel, and my main thing with the channel is my excuse to not edit. I want to show people that you can get a big channel, a heavy subscribed channel with a lot of views without editing. But mostly because that's an excuse for me not to edit, so nah, screw you. Crap, I used one of my hellfires. I thought we had the missile. We have 2 hellfires then. Crap. That should be enough to take out 2 enemy ships. Actually, that just impacts an enemy ship. That'd be funny. Now they do have enemy aero Vulcans. They look a lot like the the British strategic supersonic bomber, the aero Vulcan. I highly doubt I'm pronouncing it correctly. Now I do not know how to put these creations in the description, but if I could, I would 100% put them in the description. They're really cool. But I think you could just look them up in the Steam catalog and find them. Look up like F4 Phantom. You'd probably find it. Or like Apache attack helicopter. Like there's a tons. I do prefer the helicopters over anything else in this game because they're fun to use. Boats are fun too. I think the next video I'll do was boat combat. Spawn near their base and I'll use one of their ships and then we'll attack them through there. Oh, speaking of an enemy, we have 2 boaties on our so 2 here. Oh, there's countermeasures. There's our autocannon. Right, we're gonna try to shoot him down. What is he doing? Is he like on fire already? Or is that just no? That's a civilian. No clue what he's doing. 3. Our rockets. This should be our hellfires now. Let's see here. Right, we're gonna increase altitude here. We'll be going to Ogi's lighthouse over it. Oh, enemy ship right there. Actually, we're gonna gangbang this bastard here. Alright, they're going for him. Hopefully they don't miss. I would like them to hit. Come on, hit. Hit the big boy. I think they're gonna miss. Oh, no, they're turning. Oh, come on. Fine, we'll hit him with C. Yes. Eat that, boy. You like it? Of course you don't. Dumb butt. Alright, well, he's probably gonna shoot me with his, probably avoid their island, because they could just blow me up very easily. The enemy aircraft. Probably. Oh, yep, there's one right there. Are those missiles that's shooting at me? No, they're helicopters. Let's see if we can hit one of their tanks at their island. Let's see, I mean, we're hitting their base. Probably pissing them off a bit. We can hit these guys. Two of those might have been hit. You guys are actually crap at shooting anything. And all of a sudden they just hit me. That'd be funny. Oh no! They're anti-aircraft system. Alright, shut up. He's right there. Ah, ah, ah! Oh, we're on fire! No, we're not. Guys, we have an issue. We're tilting. We're falling down. Curse you! Ah! Get me out of here! Get me out of this cursed plane. I mean helicopter. Ah, let's get out of here. I heard it explode. Curse you! This is a war crime. I physically can't fight back. This is a freaking war crime here. I mean, you can turn up. The AI are war criminals. They shoot at me again. Alright, they respect the Geneva Convention, I think. Never mind, they don't. You literally just tried shooting a missile at me. You're using heavy ordnance to kill an innocent quotation mark. This is stupid. It can't even hit me. Like, I just hear birds. And the array center. Alright, well, that's the end of this video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you in another dumb video. Bye.